At Antara Community, we believe every senior deserves a life full of energy, joy, and connection. Let's hear from Mr. Vijaya as he shares his inspiring journey with our community.
Namaste, I am Vijaya Kumar, 71 years old, living in Bengaluru. When I joined the Antara community, and it has been one of the best decisions of my life. Wellness is not just about exercise, it is about a lifestyle. Here I found a space where I can move, learn, share with like-minded people. Beyond fitness, the Antara community has brought me joy. From nutrition tips to daily inspiration, there is always something new to learn. And the friendship truly is special. It is a space where we celebrate small wins together and lift each other up.